Alright guys, I'm back. And there's a crazy raining going on.
En el tren, ¿qué cosa hay en el tren? ¿Qué cosa vamos a ir a ver? ¿Qué cosa hay en ese parque?
Yeah, what is there at the park, at the train? You suck. I don't think Florida is a good state because Spider-Man first. Boop, boop, boop. We're gonna go to Disney World tomorrow. And seriously, if you're watching this, you didn't do a face review today. You said you were gonna do it tomorrow, like about 14 hours ago. I don't know when. But actually, you did a video before. No, you didn't. But yeah, I saw your videos and football cards part 3. It's funny at 104, so because you're like, how about, because the girl was like, how about I just take all of them for SmackDown? And you were like, no, you can't. And then I was laughing so hard with the cat hand. And I like your YouTube. I like your title picture. Marbles. Yeah, cool. And it said, I don't know. Oh, and Gary gets paid 10 cents per view. I don't know how he gets that much money. But yeah, it's raining so much. Oh god, it's gonna be raining so hard.
Creo que allí no está lloviendo. Allá creo que no está lloviendo. Ow.
Okay. I forgot my hoodie. Holy crap. Look. Rain right there.
No está lloviendo. Yeah.
Ah, yes. This is much better. How about I just take all of them? No, you can't. I don't know where my dad went. I don't know where he is. And I think there's about to do a hurricane. Hours later. We've been here for 10 hours and we still haven't moved yet. Oh, and I have a joke for you guys. Oh, wow. Okay, no, that's copying. Never mind, I don't have a joke. Olympics going on over here. Over here. I'm glitching out. Oh gosh. Alright, it's raining bad now. 5 hours later. Oh god, it's going. Ah, God. Do you see the floor? Going fast. I think it's about to flood. Just do it to 0. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back with you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye.